So friends, very often we hear this news that someone working in the intelligence department got honey trapped. Now imagine someone who has given so much of his life to his service with such a decorated career right at the brink of the retirement. Now he has to live with that stigma. And when we talk about these kind of cases of falling prey to the temptation or the seduction, it happens in different forms through different form of scams. So now comes the question that in this department, in this area, how you can relate it with the astrology. Are there like any certain combinations which can make someone vulnerable in this area? So see guys, you have to understand on the basis of the push and the pull. There are like certain nakshatras which has got that inherent brightness and that vivaciousness that they automatically attract and get the attention. And there are like those nakshatras which has got that inherent weakness that they can fall prey to it. So when we talk about the nakshatras which has got that higher energy to get the attention, this could be of the opposite sex or the same sex. So in that, generally I have seen that Bharni has got a league of its own. Bharni nakshatra prominence knows how to get the attention of the opposite sex. Rohini is also very good in getting that attention. Dhanishtha is very good in that. Chitra, because of their colorful dressing sense, they have got that potential. Uttarashadha nakshatra, these people are also like very well dressed and they also have got this potential to get the attention. Now when we talk about the nakshatras which can fall prey to it, which could be a victim or which are vulnerable in this department. So in my research guys, I have seen that Mrigashira nakshatra. Mrigashira nakshatra could be a victim in these kind of situation if the natal moon is not well supported. Like the way, for example guys, even amongst all the tithis, we say that the Dvitiya Tithi is being ruled by the Brahmadev. So we generally say that people who are born in the influence of the Dvitiya Tithi with other supporting factors, these people tend to have very strong weakness towards the opposite sex, and because of this weakness, they could be easily manipulated.